everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Today is another episode of Picnic at the Park. We will be grilling today kebab. It's an easy and fast recipe because I was able to find a marinated lamb package at the supermarket. And today I will just show you how to prepare it to be grilled at the park. So let's start. So I bought this lamb leg from Walmart. Walmart has a special section for lamb, and they have it marinated, so that's for an easy picnic, for on the go. Decide to go grill at the park. I will show you how to cut it and make it into skewers. So first, this is 2.75 pounds, almost 3 pounds. I'm going to cut the bag. They usually marinate it with garlic, rosemary, and oregano, and of course salt and pepper. Smells amazing here. After I cut them into long slices, as you see, I'm going to cut them into squares. I will try as much as I can, keep them the same size. So it can make up to 8 skewers, but today I'm just going to use 4 skewers. So I cut them, as you see, in same size cubes. It's like 1 inch. You can add vegetables if you want, like cherry tomatoes, onions, peppers, but I will just keep it simple. Now they are ready for grilling. I will just wrap them with plastic wrap and take them to the park for our episode of Picnic in the Park.
Yassas, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Today we're having a picnic in the park and we're going to be grilling kebabs. You're going to love this recipe, quick and easy. We prepared the skewers yesterday and the kebabs yesterday. All we have to do now is put them on the grill and enjoy. So I'm all set up. I've got some hot coals and I've got the kebabs on the rotisserie machine. My rotisserie machine, I got it from Amazon, and I have it plugged into a Ryobi battery pack. That should take care of me for quite a long time. So looking forward to seeing how this comes out. Now I can just sit back and let the coals and the rotisserie machine take care of the rest. All right, let's check on our kebabs. Here we are, 150, 145. Okay, they're ready. Here are my kebabs, ready to be shared with our friends and family. The great thing about rotisserie cooking is that all the juices get stored inside, so we have these wonderful juicy kebabs.
I hope you liked our episode today of Picnic at the Park. I hope you try this easy recipe and let me know in the comments below how it goes. See you next time.